DJI Goggles Integra first use. Before takeoff, press the power button to check the battery level of DJI Goggles Integra. Make sure that the aircraft has linked with the goggles and RC motion too. Hook the headband. Unfold the antennas. Press and hold the power button to power on the goggles. Wear the goggles, and rotate the headband adjustment knob on the battery compartment to adjust the length of the headband. Rotate clockwise to tighten the headband and counterclockwise to loosen the headband. If the headband feels loose, attach one end of the headband to the fixing hole on the top of the goggles and the other end to the hole on the top of the battery compartment. Slide the IPD sliders left and right to adjust the distance between the lenses until the images are properly aligned. That's all for the wearing of goggles. Buttons usage. Press down the 5D button or toggle it to the right to open the menu from the FPV view. After a settings panel is opened, toggle the button to navigate the menu or adjust the parameter value. Press the button to confirm the selection. Toggle the 5D button forward from the FPV view to open the settings panel and change camera-related parameters, such as ISO, shutter, EV, and white balance. Toggle the 5D button backward to open the shortcut menu. Take photo. Enhanced display. Head tracking. Adjust brightness. Back button. Press to return to the previous menu or exit the current view. To change aircraft, press down the 5D button from the FPV view to open the menu and select status. Select switch from the upper right corner and then choose the aircraft to be used. If your aircraft supports the head tracking function, toggle the 5D button backward from the FPV view to open the shortcut menu, and tap head tracking to enable the function. The horizontal orientation of the aircraft and the gimbal pitch can be controlled through head movements. The remote control device will only control the flight path of the aircraft, and cannot control the gimbal. Sleep mode. If the goggles are idle after being powered on, they will enter sleep mode after approximately 40 minutes of inactivity, and the screens will power off. You can shake the goggles to wake up from sleep within 5 minutes after entering sleep. When the goggles are not in use, store them in the following way. Fold the antennas. Unhook the headband. Rotate the headband adjustment knob counterclockwise to loose the headband to its longest length. Place the battery compartment on the foam padding, with the adjustment knob adjacent to the foam padding. Hook the other end of the headband, and the goggles are properly stored. Thanks for watching.